Holding in a cough causes lung damage. This instinct increases pressure in the pulmonary alveoli. A cough is a high-speed cleaning mechanism for the lungs. If you suppress it, the mucus and pressure stay trapped. This can cause the small air sacs to burst under the load. It also forces bacteria deeper into the lower lung lobes. This leads to chronic inflammation and a higher risk of pneumonia. You will experience a decrease in your total oxygen capacity. To protect your lungs, you must allow the cough to happen. Use a tissue to cover your mouth and nose for hygiene. Maintain a relaxed posture to let the chest expand freely. Drink warm fluids to thin the mucus for easier removal. Let the cough clear. Protect the lung base.